LG hands-free voice recognition. With LG hands-free voice recognition function, you can turn on your LG TV or search for contents to watch just using your voice. How to activate hands-free voice recognition. Press the mic button on the Magic Remote. Select Help menu at the bottom of the screen. Click on the Settings icon on the top right corner. Turn on the hands-free voice recognition function. How to use LG hands-free voice recognition. To turn on the TV, say the trigger word, "Hi LG," to the TV to activate the voice control function. When the device recognizes the trigger word, it will make a chime sound. After hearing the sound, say, "Turn on the TV." When the TV is off, the device won't take any commands other than turning on the TV. You can also activate the voice control function while watching TV just by saying, "Hi LG," but make sure that you are within the viewing distance. When the TV recognizes your voice, it will make a chime sound with voice recognition image appearing on the screen. Say what you want the TV to do, like switch to channel 6. Commands that you can use. If you want to find out what commands you can use with LG hands-free voice recognition, press the mic button on the remote control and click on the Help menu at the bottom of the screen. Take a look at the examples of commands you can use and try them out. The hands-free voice recognition is not working. Hands-free voice recognition function is available only when the TV is connected to a network. If you say the trigger word, "Hi LG," to a TV that is not connected to a network, you will get a message saying, "Voice recognition will be available by connecting TV to the network." I cannot turn on the TV using voice command. If the Quick Start Plus function is off, you cannot turn on the TV using the voice recognition. Press the Settings button and go to All Settings. From General, to go to Additional Settings, turn on the Quick Start Plus. The voice control keeps popping up on my TV. The TV may perceive some sound from TV as the trigger word for voice recognition. Adjust the sensitivity of the function from voice recognition settings. If you want to stop using the voice recognition function, turn off the hands-free voice recognition function.